Okay guys, so this morning you're going to do a couple things. First of all, you need to vote on today's exoplanets. You can see here, just do a search for ExoCup 2020 and it'll be at the top. So vote on that. Look each of them up first, see who they are, what they are, which one's the best, and then vote. And then you're going to start to build your Twitter list for exoplanet scientists. And to do that, after you've done the search and done the vote, you're going to click on latest, because that will show you some exoplanet scientists that are voting as well. You'll start to investigate these different scientists by rolling over their name. It'll show you their bio, and it should have something about exoplanets in it, or planets around other worlds, or something like that. And if it does, then go ahead and right click or two-finger tap to open them up, and you're going to investigate them a little further. So here's the criteria. They had to have tweeted about exoplanets in the last 10 days, and they need to reply to somebody in the last 10 days as well. If they've done that, then you can add them to your list. You just scroll down, investigate that they have or have not, and then this guy has replied to somebody, and he's also tweeted about exoplanets, so you could add him. So you come back up here to these three dots and add or remove from list. And then if you don't have an exoplanet list yet, you'll click on create list, put your first name in front, like so, and exoplanet. Okay, and then you're going to add them to that list. I'm not actually going to make it, but anyway, so that's how you do that. After that, you need to start investigating who they follow to try and find an exoplanet scientist who meets the same requirements, and I'll put the requirements on the stream as well. Alright, so let's say that you've already added the 6 people you need to add to your exoplanet list by doing the steps I just said. So you keep going back into who they follow to find new people, and you need to then share that list with me. So I'll just pick a random list here. So let's say art. To share that list with me, you go to your lists, click on the exoplanet list, and then you're going to grab this link and you're going to tag me in a tweet and post it and paste it into that tweet. So it would look like this. 2-foot giraffe. Then paste in the link. I forgot to copy the link, so that's stupid. I'll get it fixed. Oops, discard. I'm having all sorts of problems. Alright, copy, tweet at me, paste in the link, and have the hashtags, of course, just that one, and say my exoplanet list. And then tweet it. Now, I'm going to be comparing these lists, so if you have all the same people as the other kids in class, then I know you copied somebody's. So you need to make your own list. If you tried a couple on who the scientist follows and you can't find more, then you can go ahead and go back to the exoplanet or ExoCup 2020 to continue your search for someone else. So just come on down, find somebody, do the same steps. So again, the steps or the criteria are they have to have tweeted about exoplanets in the last 10 days, and they have to have replied to somebody in the last 10 days. Alright, you'll need to have 6 people added to your list.